Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Pramuka. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Kafi, but you can call me is Kafi. I am from Junior High School Sidoarjo. This time I want to tell you about my conversation with my friend.
Hello, my friend.
Hey, what's up?
What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Kafi, but you can call me Kafi. And you?
My full name is Muhammad Misaki Apriansyah. My friend call me Misaki, so just call me Misaki. How old are you?
I'm 14 years old. And you?
I am 13 years old.
Bro, what is your hobby?
I like playing football. And you?
I like playing badminton.
Can you play football with me tomorrow?
I'm sorry, next time, because I want to study in lesson.
Yes, no problem. Bro, where do you live?
I live in the village Pandi. And you?
I live in the village Temangampla.
No, I want to go home.
Goodbye. See you.